Open Gemini in web browser and tap on video. Now enter or paste your prompt for video generation. I have pasted my prompt for video. Gemini is generating video. Our video is ready. Tap on display button.
I think humans were very creative.
Yes, but they also seem self-destructive.
I think humans were very creative.
Yes, but they also seem self-destructive.
To download this video, tap on download icon. Here message is appearing downloading video. Wait for some time. Tap on this video icon. Now play this video.
I think humans were very creative.
Yes, but they also seem self-destructive.
In this video you can see the details of video are very impressive. Here I am using 2.5 Pro preview model for video generation. Repeat all the steps for video generation. Now play this video.
Hey! Hey, Gems! Hey! Hey, Gems!